trying to do it too.
No, didn't you say she sounded like a bear? She's like, you're being silly now. Snore like mama. Do what she
Okay.
Show me what I did when I was pregnant with Koopy.
Okay.
Aw.
Let me do a different one.
Calm down. Calm down.
Try to show me. I did not do that.
You should.
Hey, you're gonna wake Cooper up. Stop.
Okay.
Don't be silly. We're just snoring like mama. That's it.
Okay, Daddy. I'm trying to snore like Mama. Mommy again.
Dead on.
Let me try again.
You're silly.
Let me try again.
Okay.
Kendall.
Hey.
Kendall.
Hey.
You're being too silly. You're gonna wake Cooper up.
Okay,
Yeah,
I'm
be-
gonna
be-
try
be
to
quiet,
snore
be
like
quiet.
Mommy.
Be quiet for a second and do it.